Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 EMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it and type here EMA. Choose moving average exponential, click on it 2 times. Now go here, EMA 9, click on these 3 dots and click on settings. Go to input and change 9 to 20 and click on OK. Go to the second one, click on these 3 dots, settings, and change length to 50 and click on OK. Now we have here the 20 and the 50 EMA. So let's say you don't like these colors and you want to change it. So click on these 3 dots, click on settings, go to style, and we have here blue. Click on it and you can choose any color you want. So I will choose, for example, this green. We have also here the thickness of the EMA. I will choose this one. Now click on OK. Also for the 50 EMA, click on the 3 dots, settings, and style. Click on it. I will choose white. And for the thickness, I will choose this one. And click on OK. And that's it. This is our 20 and 50 EMAs. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.